Hey guys, Organized Alaina, and today I wanted to show you my updated setup for my wallet. This is my Happy Planner mini, and I have switched it out and put it in a Kate Spade old planner, and I will be now using this as my wallet. If you didn't see my previous video on my wallet setup, I will put it in this video so that you can watch it and see how I set it up before, but I'll show you the new updated process. So I basically de-ringed this Kate Spade Planner, and I've seen a couple of people do this. The last video I think I saw on this was At Home with Quita, and I just saw this planner in Marshall's and decided to get it over the weekend because it was on sale, and I just love this setup now. So let me show you the inside, and I'll put a clip in this video of how I de-ringed it. It did take me a second to get the rings out, but I'll show you my struggle. But this is my Happy Planner mini. This is where I will put a lot of business stuff and a lot of dates that are coming up. I kind of use this to jot things down. I'll keep it in my purse, and then I also use it as a wallet. So on the side here, I usually keep this is where my license and my credit cards are gonna go, but I took it out for the purpose of this video. And I also have my business cards for Organized Alaina and business cards for Paper Stylist Studio in the pocket here. I don't have my business cards for the Sticker Stylist because they have not come in yet, but I wanna keep all of my business cards in this top area. And in this pocket here, I'm gonna keep my cash envelopes. So my envelopes are currently empty because we just got paid and I need to go to the ATM, except for this one. I still have some cash in here. I think it's like $13. And I'm going to keep all of my envelopes in the side pocket here. If you're interested in these envelopes, I'll put the link. I sell them in my shop, and I'll put the link to them below. You can customize your categories. So if you tell me the different categories that you want on your envelopes, I can make it to where those are the categories that you have. But I keep mine in the pocket here. And then here is my planner, which I'm not gonna flip through. I'll start doing some plan with me's in this because I will start to do setups, but I won't be able to show the after of my setup because I use this for a business planner. So I do have a lot of things that can't be shown on camera in here. So this will be the updated. Oh, the one thing about this, and At Home with Quita did mention it, but I'll mention it here too, is that you can't just close it because of the sidebar here. So you have to open it and then put the cover there and then close it. So, oh wait, I didn't do that right. Yeah, and then close it. So, but that doesn't bother me. and I do love this setup, and this is such a nice wallet. I love it. So if you have any questions about this, how I did this, then make sure you leave them below and I'll be sure to answer them. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and put on that notification bell so you can know when I post new videos. Until next time, guys, bye.